The XM7 rifle is a versatile firearm used by various military forces worldwide. It features advanced recoil systems for increased accuracy during rapid firing sequences. Chambered for 6.8mm rounds, it provides superior ballistics compared to traditional 5.5 to 6mm rifles. Its modular design allows quick adaptation with various accessories and modifications. Integrated optics and targeting systems enhance target acquisition and engagement proficiency. The XM7's lightweight frame reduces soldier fatigue during prolonged operations. Manufacturers constructed it with durable materials for longevity and reliability in harsh conditions. A telescoping stock provides customizable length for enhanced ergonomic comfort. Ambidextrous controls facilitate ease of use for both left and right-handed operators. Field strippable components simplify cleaning and maintenance tasks in operational environments. Its suppressor compatibility reduces noise signature, improving stealth in tactical scenarios. This rifle has seen rigorous testing in diverse combat and training environments. It's a preferred choice for special forces due to its precision and adaptability. The XM7 reflects advancements in firearms technology, maintaining superior performance standards. Adopting the XM7 enhances a military unit's operational capabilities significantly.